Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in previous video we learned about that how to make a simple moderation bot. As we can see here, I made some commands like kick, pan and clear and timeout. So in today's video we will learn about embeds and buttons. So I will start with the embed part. I will add the embed thing in this command only. Okay, so let me write the code, then I will explain it later. So yeah, so first of all we created an embed. Here you can see this. We use the Discord package embed, and then we define the embed inside this, like what will be the title of the embed, the description, the latency will print, and a random hex code of a color. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, like any more variable names like footer and author URL, you can check this website. Here you can see like many of those functionality like URL, timestamps, colors, like I use the colors there, set footer, you can set images, and you can do a lot. I will cover that in the later videos. So then we set a footer on the embed. We use the embed variable here and simply type the text who requested the embed. Then we sended the response as earlier we were directly sending the response like this, but this time we pass the embed here. Okay, let's run this bot and try this command. Wait, I didn't saved it. Yeah, and let it run. Yeah, let's try this command, ping. Here you can see that it is replying in the embed part. Now see, this is the title as we have mentioned here, this is the description, and this is the footer, and this is the color we set it here. Okay, let's add an embed in the hello command also. Give me a minute, then I will explain it. So yeah, this is as same as the earlier thing. We created an embed here, defined its title, description and color, and here we use the image part. Okay, this is how we set an thumbnail, like in the banner. As you can see, we can define any URL. Here I use the avatar of the Discord account of the user. Okay, and then we send as usual send the response back the embed. Now let's restart the bot and try the command. Here you can see this is the thumbnail, and this is what we said in the thumbnail. This is my thumbnail, as you can see here. This is my avatar, and this is the title, and this is the description. Okay, let's move to the button part. I will include the button in ping and hello command, just as basic as possible. Let me write the code, then I will back to you. So yeah, we here successfully created a simple button called test again. So here it how it work. So we have to create a here this is an oops concept. Okay, object oriented programming. If you don't know, you can easily learn on any video. It will take hardly 1 hour to learn it. So I will advise you to learn it because it is very useful and it will help you a lot in your journey. Okay, so let's continue. Here I created a simple class called ping view. The name of the class is ping view and passes the Discord package thing named as view. Then we created a button using the Discord UI package named as test again, and here I defined its color. Okay, so there are 5 options for colors. Here you can look at it. See, primary, it is a blurple color, and secondary gray, success green, danger red, link, and premium. You will hardly use this button, but you will regularly use this button. Okay, here you can see the website. You can read a lot about all the buttons. So yeah, as usual we created a function called ping button, and as usual we the same logic as we use in the command. And here is the catch that we don't send a new message but added the same message which was previously given by the user. Okay, so we created this class and with the function name, and we use this in our ping command. Here we defined the view. You can understand view like it is a container. We are putting our button into a container, so it can be defined. Then we send the response with the embed and the view. Okay, let's restart the bot and try it. Here you can see the test again button is here. If I click it, see it rejoined the so I clicked the test again button once more and it recalculated my latency. Here you can see the edited thing, so it resended the whole message, like you can see the edited it. Now let's add a simple button in the hello command. Let me write the code, then I will explain it. So yeah, here we created 2 more buttons for the hello embed. So when someone will run the command hello, it will send the embed with the view button. We created a new class for it, the hello view class. Here we defined 2 buttons. If the good button will be clicked, then this function will run. If the bad button is clicked, then this function will return. Here I done a typo. I have named both functions same. So yeah, like if someone click the good button, it will simply reply great to hear, and if someone click the bad button, it will reply this. Let's try it out. Let me restart the bot. Here you can see the hello command gives you with 2 buttons. If you click good button, it will reply this, and if you click the bad button, it will reply like this. So here we implemented the basic, like very basic concept of button and embed. If you want to explore more options in button and embed thing, you can simply visit this website and learn everything from here. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video we will explore more advanced topic. Hope you like this video, and please drop a comment if you don't like anything or need any type of help. I will help you, and please subscribe the channel if you liked any part of this video. Bye bye.